Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over, is Huel worth it? Now, this is going to be in particular for people who are on the fence of whether or not to try out Huel. And I must say, I have been using Huel for well over a year now, and it's absolutely fantastic. So over here, I have the Black Edition Vanilla. Over here, I have the Black Edition Chocolate. Now, Huel comes in handy anytime I'm on the go or anytime I don't feel like cooking, or maybe I'm like short on time and I have a meeting in like 5 minutes. That's where Huel comes in really handy. So you can see the nutrition facts here where it's 17 grams of fat, 24 grams of carbs, but it's got some fiber in it, which kind of cancels out the sugars. And then it's got 40 grams of protein, which is a lot. And so with Huel, I take it when I'm on the go or I'm short on time. It also helps with the protein intake if I'm trying to build muscle. And keep in mind though that this 400 is for 2 scoops, okay? It is gonna fill you up. 2 scoops is gonna give you 40 grams of protein. But I'd say with Huel overall, it's absolutely fantastic. It's such a good nutritional meal replacement that it tastes good. You don't have to mix it. Like I can easily mix it with the blender bottle and I don't have to focus on like breaking down the chunks. It just breaks it down itself within the blender bottle itself. Now with Huel, one thing I do want to point out is that I've tried the strawberry flavor before. I wasn't a fan, but with the Black Edition chocolate, this has been my go-to. This flavor tastes phenomenal no matter where I put it. Now Black Edition vanilla, I'm going to be trying this one out. But yeah, I mean, if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you haven't signed up for Huel, you can use my link down below in order to sign up and you'll get $15 off your first order. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.